Hi everyone, Heather Leopards here. Thanks so much for joining me today for the unboxing of the Elle Studio March 2018 kit. So you open up this box and there's just a wonderful array of really bright, colorful embellishments and pocket page cards. So let's take a look at what's inside the main kit. So we've got this die cut set here, which has got some really great phrases on it, a cute little bunny and a star. And here's one of the 4x6 cards. And then here's the second die cut sheet. I love these die cuts. They've got some more phrases and some labels and just some really cute sayings. And there's actually 26 die cuts in this kit. There's another one of the 4x6 cards, and there's actually 3 4x6 cards, or I think she calls them tags. And then there's 18 of these 3x4 cards. So these are great for anything from scrapbooking to your pocket pages. You can use them on cards. All sorts of great ideas can come from them. And I love the designs. She's got that really great star one up there. It's my lucky day. Some more colorful ones like the rainbow one, and then some more muted ones like the one I just showed you. And so a lot of these can be used for layering behind your photos. They can be used for journaling. You can use them standalone. I really, really love these. I actually use this one on one of the layouts that you'll see at the end of this video. This one goes with something that I cannot wait to show you in just a few minutes. And this is a story about, so see, these are so great. They're just really great, versatile cards. I just love the variety that she packs into each of these. And look at those cute bunnies. Oh my goodness. And then another more muted, toned down one. And then here's the last 4x6 card. So now let's take a look at some of the add-ons. So there's these really cute snippet labels, these stickers, which I love to use. I use these on quite a few of the layouts that you'll see. One of a kind wood veneer. This will make a really great statement on a project that you choose to use it on. Again, I use that one on a project. You'll see it at the end of this video. And then look at these bunnies. They're a combination of wood bunny veneer, which are super, super cute. They're in 2 different sizes. And then what she did was she added some vellum in multiple colors so you can actually layer them over each other, just like so. I chose that little kind of pinkish red one, and then there's that large one. So you can see the rainbow of colors that these cute little bunnies are offered in. Trying to figure out how I may want to use these, maybe in a off-the-page type of altered project. Check out these cute little acrylic hearts. There's 12 of them in a package, and it also comes in a variety of different colors, which match all of the different colors, of course, in the kit, those bunnies and the labels and everything. Aren't they awesome? I'm pretty certain I ended up using them all on my projects. I used them all up. No need to save those and hoard them. Okay, when I saw this, I think I passed out. I may have even screamed a little. I know my girls looked at me funny. They were like, what in the world is happening to our mom right now? But I was just so excited. This is probably my favorite thing out of this kit. And I just knew exactly right away what photo I was going to scrap with it. So I actually created a process video for how I use that embellishment, but I absolutely loved it. You can find that video here on my YouTube channel. It's called Choose Happy. This kit also comes with these great blue puffy stickers, a rainbow of star puffy stickers, and then these great chipboard stickers that are in black and white. And you could totally add color to those very, very easily. So I love them. And then this really cute stamp set. This stamp set is called Happy Moments, and It's, I think, a 4x6 and has 21 stamps on it. It's really cute. It's got some great phrases, some really cute little polka dots and hearts and star borders. And then look how cute those little bunnies are. So that's a wrap on the March main kit and add-ons. You can see some of my projects that I created with them here. I also created process videos for each one of these. You can find them on my channel. They're called One of a Kind, What Did You Say, and Choose Happy. Thanks so much for tuning in today.